guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I am so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today I am here to share some fantastic, wonderful, super exciting prizes I won from two different giveaways. The first giveaway was from Mary Catherine over at Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and the second one was from Stephanie over at Opinionated Horsewoman. I will make sure I link both of their channels down below, so guys, please make sure you go check them out. They have all kinds of fun content, a lot of unboxing, skincare, beauty, you name it, they do it, and they're always good for a smile and a laugh, which you know is my favorite. So let's go ahead and start with the prize that I won from Mary Catherine. She does a lot of smaller giveaways on her channel, and so there's lots of opportunities to win. I was super excited to have gotten this. Let me go ahead. Oh, look at this. It's a card with little cactus and llama stickers. Sorry, I keep looking at it. There, let me show you. Oh, thank you, Mary Catherine. I love stickers. I love llamas too. How'd you know? Then we've got a sweet little card. And it says, "Dear Jen, congratulations on your win. I appreciate your support. Thank you, Mary Catherine Loves Cats." Thank you, Mary Catherine. I am so excited to be able to share these. Oh, they're going to be so cute. Like I said, I know what they are. I get riled up, don't I, guys? Woo! I love giveaways. Oh, you guys. So, for this giveaway, she had 3 different sets of earrings that she was giving away, and you got to choose. And when I say set, I mean like multiple pairs in one group. So these are the ones that I picked. The first one are these little black and white balls. Are those not the cutest? And they're very, very lightweight. Super cute. And then this next pair, I have never seen earrings like this before. I could almost put them on now, but I'm not gonna. So here's what they look like from the front. It looks like 2 pairs, right? But look at this. When you turn it to the side, it's kind of hard to see with 2 on there. Hold on. When you turn it to the side, it's 1 earring. So this is the part that you would put up in the hole of your ear, and then this would go behind your earlobe, and you'd have this down on the bottom. Aren't those awesome? And you all know my favorite color is blue. So, very excited to have those. Thank you again to Miss Mary over at Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I really appreciate it. Said, make sure you go by and check out her channel, guys. The next giveaway that I won, like I said, was from Stephanie over at Opinionated Horsewoman. This was a bigger giveaway because it was part of a collab. I think it was 12 different channels did an entire face makeup look with Dollar Tree products. And every channel did a giveaway as well. So I won actually 2 of them. One of them I'm still waiting for the package to get here, so you'll see that one here soon. But I got Stephanie's in the mail, so I thought I would share that with you. This is what the box looks like. She put 2 super cute little heart stickers on there for me. Let me get my new handy dandy box cutter. Alrighty, here's what the inside of the package looks like. Looks like we do have a card right on top with a little sticker that says thumbs up. Alright, let's take a peek. We've got really pretty little butterflies. Oh no, look at all these little stickers. We've got a koala bear. Oh, we've got a little cat with popcorn. That's awesome. 3D glasses. We've got a corgi puppy. Got some really cute flowers. Can't go wrong with stickers and me, guys, because you all know that I love putting them in my planners. A sloth laying on a recliner. Fits me. A butterfly. Flowers. These are gorgeous. I love how they look like they're hand drawn and colored in. I just think that looks super cool. We've got another butterfly, a blue one. I'll probably give this to Ariana. She loves her butterflies. And then, ooh, Live Life Wear lipstick. Heck to the yeah. This is going on my lipstick box that I have in the bathroom. And then she put a bunch of stickers inside the card. It says, congratulations, Jenn, on winning. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube adventure. Stephanie at Opinionated Horsewoman. And again, those are all the stickers that she gave me. Or that she put on the card for us. Now, let's get into the goods. Right on top, we've got a hyaluronic acid bubble face mask. Guys, these are so fun. I've done the charcoal bubble face mask with my girls. And what they are is when you put them on, they actually start bubbling up and foaming. They're super cool. In fact, I think I'm probably going to use this for my Mask Monday video. So make sure you keep an eye out for that one because you'll be seeing this mask soon. Then we've got Beauty Benefits Glow with the Flow Highlighter and Illuminator. And I believe these are all from the Dollar Tree. You'd be surprised some of the makeup that you can find at the Dollar Tree, guys. Quite a bit of things I use on a daily basis. This is face primer. I've watched a lot of people use this one and they're always excited when they use it because it goes on white and then as they rub it in, it just like blends to their skin tone. So I'm really excited to have this and to be able to give it a try. Then we've got an eyeshadow palette by LA Colors. That is beautiful. I love those neutrals and those pinks. And of course, there's the purple for Stephanie. She loves her purple colors. Just got to throw that in there. We've got some Wet n Wild Full Healthy Lashes Mascara. Can never have enough mascara. Ever. Then we've got Auto Eyeliner Smudge Proof. And it is in the color black. I guess I don't really need to hold my hand behind that. Oh, there you go. Next, we have some lip gloss. This is moisturizing in the color Coral Crush. That's what that looks like. Sorry about the glare. And we're on to the next layer. We have a lip duo. So what this is a lippy on top and then lip gloss on the bottom. In fact, I'm wearing one now. And it's just a good color combination. This is in Clarity. It might even be the one that I'm wearing. I can't remember. But there's the lip color. Very, very, very pretty. I'm really impressed with the lipstick that they have at the Dollar Tree, guys. I really am. We've got a large eyeshadow brush. Love a good eyeshadow brush. Oh, yay! Brow pencil. Perfect color for me, too. I was just asking Steve about one of these. I know I bought one, but it seems to have disappeared, so now I don't need it. I have another one. Then we've got more hydrating lipstick. This is the color Sorbet, and it is a creamy lipstick by LA Color. It is gorgeous. Looks like it's got a bit of a shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see that or not through the package, but that's really pretty. And the next layer. We've got a compact mirror. I love having one of these in my purse or on my desk at work because every once in a while you need to take a quick peek at yourself just to make sure, you know, no boogers or anything hanging out of your nose or a hair out of place. I was not going to say a hair hanging out of your nose. That's disgusting. Anyways, you never know when you're going to need to do a quick check, and these are fantastic to have at hand. So really excited to have that. Yeah, I said it. Sorry, guys. Then we've got some Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes by Sassy and Chic, 25 of them. I also like keeping these on hand at work or in my purse, especially during the summer, because there's nothing worse than having to drive around or go someplace with a face that you feel like is greasy and sticky. So, yeah. And then we've got a shadow switching sponge. I don't know if you guys have seen these before. Oh, well, no, I have one that I'm using right now. But what it is it's a tin can. I was trying to tell you. Oh, Steve's going to get it for us. This one came with batteries. That's why it jumped out of my hand. True story. Anyways, what it is a tin can, and when you open it, it's got like a very thick black sponge in it, and you just run your brushes across it like when you're doing eyeshadow looks and stuff and you want to use multiple colors, and it wipes off the eyeshadow so that you're not blending colors. Oh, here, Ava brought me my other one so I can show you the sponge. I think I got this one on Amazon. You can tell I get good use out of it. Here's what the sponge, gosh darn it. Here's what the sponge looks like. Really porous, and it's kind of scratchy to touch, so it's good for cleaning off the brushes. And then she threw in one more thing, and guys, I'm so excited about this part, you have no idea. I have never had one of these before, ever, and I can't believe she put it in this giveaway because, guys, this is like above and beyond and humongous. She gave me a Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Jeffree Star. I don't own anything Jeffree Star. And to start out with a stinking palette, oh my Jeffree Stars, I'm so excited. Oh, I ripped it. Oh my gosh, guys, this is huge. Oh, it's the Orgy palette. I've heard of this one before. I cannot believe I'm mature enough to have a Jeffree Star Orgy palette. Oh my gosh, I've heard of these before. Now my hands are shaking and I can't open it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't wait. I can't wait. I don't want to do anything with the packaging. It's so wide though. I can't get it out. There we go. It's got some serious weight to it. There's the outside of the packaging. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, look at my hair. There's a mirror. Excuse me while I fix my hair. So it has a great big mirror on it, which I'm going to cover up for you guys. I'm going to try and do this. Well, let me take off the color saver here. Look at these colors. You guys, I did not even know Jeffree Star did neutrals. Look at this. This is the perfect palette for me. You know how many looks you could get with this bad boy? Stephanie, I cannot thank you enough. This is fantastic. Between you and Mary, you guys have me spoiled rotten, let me say. Let me get this put away here. I don't even know if I'll be able to bring myself to use this. It's gorgeous. Back in the container. Once again, big thank you to Mary Catherine and Stephanie. Guys, I am just so thrilled to have been able to find your channels to even be able to enter these giveaways. Guys, like I said, linked down below in the description, so please make sure you go check them out, show them some YouTube love, because they are truly good women and fantastic channels. Alright guys, before I start rambling, because you know, it's me, I'm going to let you go. But real quick, before we do that, if you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps to let YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my content. It encourages them to promote our videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family, which, guys, again, we're getting really close to 800 subscribers, and I've got a fantastic giveaway planned for you guys. So please, if you're not already subscribed, if you'd hit that subscribe button down in the corner, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.